Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology Inbuilt. So today I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Lightroom CC Pro in just few seconds. So with that being said, do like this video, do comment, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing content like this. So now let's get started. So the first is go into my description and you will get the link to download the Lightroom. So you have to just go into that link, download the APK file and you have to install it. After installing, you will get the Lightroom application like the normal Lightroom. You have to just sign in through Google account. If that doesn't happen, you have to sign in through email ID and password. It will take a few minutes, but it will be good. So after that, if you swipe from the left side, you can see your subscribed option. So you get the premium features like your photos always backup in this Lightroom CC. You get 100 GB of storage, and you also get the find feature which enables you to sort your images easily. You get the selective adjustment which helps you to edit photo in just the selective parts. You get the healing brush so that you can remove the object in the picture directly. You get the fix and adjust perspective option, and you get the edit raw photos from all of your cameras. So you get all the premium features. So I'll show you one of them, like over here. First get let's see the healing one. So just the size feather. Okay, so yeah. So you can do this, you can do this according to you. I'll show you some of the minor adjustment which you can make. So if you want to remove this blue, like example, so just click on that. Now as you can, it is removed. So as you can see, the red dot is removed. So this is the healing feature. Next is the selective one. So for selective, you have to use a brush and color some part, and then you can adjust that part. You can change the color, etc. You can sharpen, you can do many things with it. So the next tool is now geometry. So if you see, this is the before image and this is the after one. So this is the distort and the vertical and all. So you can use this according to you. So guys, this was all the premium features which you get in Adobe CC. So thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel for more amazing content like this. Thank you. Bye bye.